Hey, what's up, Carlos? Good afternoon. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for taking the time to click on this video and watch it. I spoke with Yesenia in your office, and she, said it'd be okay. I just wanted to show you some things you guys could do to help improve traffic through your website and start bringing in more customers through your business. Now, if you're wondering why I'm even making this video, I just found that a lot of business owners don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves. And typically, the only thing that holds them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And when we give these attack plans out for free, people will still call me back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd rather you just take care of this stuff for me. So at the end of the video, if you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could help grow you guys' business, definitely give me a call back. I'd love to talk more about it. But if you guys just want to take this information, apply it yourself, and run with it, that works for me too. I just want to help you out if possible. So the things I want to go over real briefly are how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's map pack. Okay, so just starting off by looking at your website, it looks good. I like all the rain on the AC unit in the background. It looks pretty cool. Um, you guys have like a call to action. That's good. I know that's a keyword you're stuffing in right there. Um, yeah, I mean, the overall, the layout of the website looks really good. You've got a consistent theme. You have some content on here, so you guys are moving in the right direction for sure. Not a whole ton of feedback I really have on the front end of it. Everything, it doesn't look that bad, honestly. One thing, let me see. Okay, no, so this is, wow, HVAC companies in Houston, air conditioning. So you guys are actually, I don't know if you guys do all this stuff or you're paying somebody yourself, but you're doing a lot of the right things. What you can save your images as keywords and stuff like that too. Let me see. I just wanted to real quickly show you guys though one of your competitors because these guys cruise, they're ranking organically over you guys, right? And again, don't be fooled by how fancy it looks like they have more pictures and animations and stuff. But the main thing is that they have more content, right? So that's the main thing is that how to make you guys more authoritative is Google wants to see at least 2,000 words of content on your homepage. You guys have a lot, but you're probably sitting around 1,000, 1,200 words or so. If you guys improve that and added to where you had at least 2,000 words, you guys are gonna have more content, and Google will that's gonna favor Google's algorithm and be able to sift through your keywords better. Okay. So I hopped over to a tool we use called Ahrefs. It costs us about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us really valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. And I wanted to touch on how to make you guys' website more trustworthy, or how to make sure you continue to stay trusted rather. So because you're doing a lot better. Basically, all that is based on how many other relevant websites you guys have linking back to you, which is what a referring domain is. So moving forward, it's just vital information to make sure that these websites you guys go and get backlinks from, that they're relevant to your industry. Like HVAC marketing might be borderline. Air conditioner, I don't know what that says. Blogspot, that's a good one. Cooling, Chihuahua Lake, see that would be a good one. Just you want to make sure that they're relevant to your industry. And I'll again going into cruise, we have their information over here as well. You can see their trust factor is a lot more skewed than you guys' is. See like keyword basket, Texas veterans, 101 apartment for rent. See like so a lot of these are spammy. Google's not gonna give you guys as much trust and power. So just make sure moving forward the links that you guys have are only relevant to your industry. Like you don't want pizza companies linking back to you guys because you don't make pizzas, for example. The last thing is how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's map pack. See, like overall web design, you guys are doing good, but this is another way you could help and boost your traffic as well, is you need citations. All a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, Facebook is even one. Go find the exact same directories that these three guys are listed in and make sure that you're all in the same ones. And if you add 50 more on top of that, because I guarantee you guys' website probably looks better than these guys. If you went and added citations for your business, that's going to be a big way that you can help improve traffic as well. So, but yeah, Carlos, that's pretty much all I got for you. I know it's a bunch of information, but just a quick recap. All in all, you guys' website doesn't look bad. I do think you could stand to benefit and help your keywords that you're ranking for out more if you guys were to add at least get to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Moving forward, to make sure you stay trustworthy, is that the backlinks you guys get are relevant to your industry. And then to get ranked locally in Google's map pack, just go find the same citations and directories these other businesses are listed in and add yourself to the same ones. Put yourself in 50 on top of that, and you guys are definitely going to blow these guys out of the water, okay? But yeah, Carlos, that's all I got for you. I'll get this video over to you real shortly. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to let me know. If you had any questions on what we might be able to do to help you guys out, I'd love to talk more about it. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks, Carlos. Bye.